Okay folks, Spike here in the Frugal Fixer shop. Today we're going to try the first piece of wood through this saw. We're going to run this piece through here nice thick, and most of us know that would never fit through a normal shop smith or total shop saw. But we're going to try it today to see how good it does, okay, first time. So I got a piece of paper here, got me a little strip of paper, I got this. I put it under here like this to get that tightened up. That's one of the tricks Scott showed me there. And I'm trying to decide how much to cut on this thing. I'm thinking about just cutting a real thin strip off of it and just see if it'll cut a thin strip off the side of it instead of splitting it right down the middle, because I've thought about splitting it, but I think I'm going to do this instead. So. Do me a favor, tell me where to hook dust ports to this thing. I put a post on Facebook a little while ago, but do I need one here? Do I need a 4-inch, a 2.5? Do I need where? Where do I hook it? And yeah, I got all this other stuff to make dust collection for too. And I'm gonna tell you what, folks. I looked at the shopsmith book, how it showed how to do it in 1980, and how to take wood and build all these pieces. And no way, I ain't doing that. We're gonna find a better way, that's for sure. So we're gonna run this piece through. It's piece of black walnut, I'm pretty sure, and I'm just going to take it and run it right through there like that, and run it about, I think I'm going to run it about 800 RPMs and just let it kind of glide through. So let's turn the old total turd on, and y'all see I made the total turd just for sanding and sawing, so I can take this saw off and put my good shopsmith saw sitting over there on when I want to do that precise work with the 1/4-inch blade. But this here for resawing, we're fixing to see just how good it does work. Y'all ready? Let's go for it. I'll get it going, and then I'll bring the camera around where y'all can see it coming this way and maybe a couple other angles. Do the best I can. It's just me. So let's get it done. I turn it on here. I'm sure it'll slow down once you put a little load on it. Let's see. Uh-oh. What happened? Something happened. What happened? No, come on now. Dude, my motor quit. This ain't good. Just when I get the saw working, now the motor quits. And that was cutting so pretty. Look at that. Check this out. Look at that. Now I got to go look and see what happened in here because something broke. Well, guess I got work to do now. I know it's getting power because the circuit board gets hot. You know, circuit loads up. So, we got to see what's going on here. We were just gliding along, weren't we, folks? Gliding along. Something gone. I guess it's time to open it up and see what's going on. I got a switch to put in it anyway. Well, you know, you start one project and then you have to do another. I just happen to have some reverse switches to put in this motor. And I'm hoping I can fix this so I can use these reverse switches in this motor. So let's see what's going on. Okay. Probably this circuit board might not have liked what we were doing, or, you know, it'd be nice if it's just a wire come loose or something. But I don't know to open it up. So let's just give it a shot and see, I think. Raise that up there enough to get my hands in here. Put this on this side so I don't block your view. Okay. Start looking, see if there's anything loose. See if anything got caught anywhere. It ain't stuck. Spinning free. Here's the wire. Good shape. Got a little extra there now. Okay, let's get a light and get down in the hole and see what's going on here. My grandpa used to say a well's a deep subject. Y'all see that? There's my wires going to the motor coming over. There's my control wires. The controls are doing what they're supposed to. Got 3 red lights on the board. In the past I only had 1. So it's reading some kind of fault somewhere causing that. So I got to do a little look and see what the book says. But I got a feeling that we're going to be making a control board for this thing. No way around it. So I guess somebody's going to have to give me some advice on how to make a control board now, because it looks like I'm going to have one.